Thanks for tuning in to Airstream Wheeler. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Dreamboat, my 1977 Airstream Argosy Motorhome, is getting new awning fabric.
Okay. Replace this screw washer here. Next up, the other side, that's the hold tension with the vice grip side, and count the number of springs. Yeah. This is held in here and set it down. So, what I'm going to do is take this bolt here loose, then I'm going to grab onto this piece with vice grips to hold it from spinning freely. I've done this before and it can be a finger pinching nightmare. You're going to have to secure that awning from turning. Yeah, you're going to have to basically kneel down and hold it both sides to the ground. And I'm going to hold it here. Okay?
So you want me to hold the barrel?
Yes. Say it was around 4 1/4. Okay, you can let go. Just a quick tip that people may find helpful. If you've lost the packaging to your rivets or you need to know what size drill bit to use, you can use your drill bit index. You want to go down until it stops fitting. So I'm going to go back one. This is a 3/16 rivet that goes into a 3/16 hole. I've marked the channel that the decorative valance slides into with a Sharpie, and then I'm going to roll the awning and mark where the actual awning slid in.
Making this more complex, this shouldn't be up.
What? Well, it has to be because it has to go past the ladder in front of me. If it's hanging all the way down, there's not enough space. We have too many tools out for the amount of rain we're about to get. Well, the good news is this should be over in 20 minutes or half an hour, so we can resume putting the awning on Dreamboat. All right, I know how to do this. I'm gonna go up on the roof. You're gonna take the ladder away. setting up the riveter because the last time we used it, we were doing a different size rivet.
I just need to get this thing supported on this arm. Still have the pin on the other side. Okay. Why it's not unfolding? So you untensioned at 4.5. Let's see what 4 gets you. And we'll go from there. Get this arm back in. Just take it off my shoulder a little bit.
Yeah. You don't have to hold it. Just kind of hold it down.
Yeah.
We're
Okay, so we need more tension. So let's take this off.
Yep.
So, oh, the pin's not in the other side. Alright, pin is in. Now let's do it.
Like remembering.
That's hard. Okay.
Victory.
It's up and it's good.